So, traders, as we look forward into a new trading week, I hope and I pray that you guys did all that you had to do. Whether you had a profitable week, a break-even week, or a losing week, what's important is that you kept the discipline, the consistency, the optimism, and far most importantly, followed your trading plans and followed your trading criteria. But this is your boy KCOT, and I'm back again with another video. And on today's video, I'll be giving you guys possible weekly direction for the coming week, which will be our weekly trading insight. I'm just not sure of the date. I think from the 15th up until the 20th or the 21st. I'm just not sure of the date. But before we get any further with the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that subscription bell so you can click that subscription bell, and just turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational videos. Click that link in my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and I recommend. Or if you're looking for an affordable and easy to capitalize with 2-day in-person mentorship course, then I've left my number, my Instagram link, my Telegram link, and my WhatsApp link. Choose what you want to communicate with me so I can come to you and change your life for the good and the better. But without further ado, let me just prepare you guys for the next trading week and make sure that I'm not only prepare you guys, but I also educate you guys within this trading space, right? So, first pick that we're going to be focusing on will be NASDAQ. And on NASDAQ, if we can check the previous video that we shared, we did have an indication that obviously we're either looking for fill to break to look for the reversal, or a break above to look for those possible new all-time highs. So as you can clearly see, that price is now bullish and price is closed with our new all-time high. All I can now say is what we're going to be looking for now, because price had a push in a range and a continuation push. If price will give us a pullback to continue bullish, or if price will give us a wood, will give us another range, so you can also continue moving to the upside. That's what we can look to capitalize on. But if it happens that price breaks below, then we might look for those reversals to the downside. But if price comes back and moves to the upside, then I guess we're going to look for that move to the upside. But all I can leave you guys with was simply waiting for confirmation, and this confirmation is based on us having to see where is price going to start the trading week. Are we going to continue bullish? Are we going to get an exhaustion? Are we going to get a range? Are we going to get a deeper pullback below or zone? We just don't know. That's why we say we wait for confirmation, so we can easily see where is price going to trade, so we can easily capitalize from what price will be printing out. You guys get that. But without further ado, second pay, we just go. And as you can clearly see, guys, that structure on gold, price is holding highs, price is holding lows, but overall price is bullish based on price giving us this push in this range. You guys always know what I always talk about, that if price gives you a range with highs and lows, then all we're going to be focusing on is for price to give us a break above our highs to look for those moves to the upside, or for price to give us those break below our lows to look for those reversals to the downside. If we don't gain anything from that, then we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do up and until we get a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. But gold, we're gonna simply wait for confirmation, because price is still holding a range, and with a range, we're trying to see where is price gonna end. Are we gonna get a break above to continue with our overall direction, or is price gonna give us a break below to look for the reversal to the downside? We just don't know. That's why I say wait for confirmation so we can see where his price gonna end. But without further ado, last but not least, we have USDCAD. And USDCAD, I also won't say much, but when you clearly look at USDCAD, price is holding a wood, price is holding a bullish channel, right? So with a bullish channel, all we're now going to keep our focus on for this trading week is very simple. If now we can clearly see that price is trading right there above our zone, if price will give us a fail to break, then I might look for those moves to the upside. But understanding that price still has some traffic that it needs to work on, right? So it wouldn't be easy for us to look for those moves to the upside until price violates this high and this current high. But if we don't get anything from those, then I guess we're gonna wait and see that this price gonna give us a break below, so we can look for those moves to the downside. But what I can now say is on USDCAD, we simply need to wait for confirmation, because price is looking very, very choppy. And with a choppy trading pay, it wouldn't be easy for you guys to capitalize on. Like, it would be easy for me to capitalize because I'm professional and I understand what I'm doing, right? But if you don't, then take my number, text me, or just take my Instagram link and DM me, so I can give you a 2-day in-person internship course that you will need, so it can be easy for you to even capitalize on choppy forex markets. You guys get that? But in conclusion, USDCAD might still wait for confirmation, because there's a lot of traffic that price needs to get ahead of, right? But if we can overcome that traffic, then it will be easy for us to capitalize on it. But without further ado, USDCAD, we're going to be waiting for confirmation and see what is price going to do. Are we going to get a breakup of our highs to look for those moves to the upside, or we're going to get a break below our major zone to look for those moves to the downside? That's all we're going to be waiting for. But without further ado, this will be what we'll be focusing on, looking forward to the new trading week. And this will be what we'll be looking to put our money to work on if price does as we anticipate. But without further ado, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the subscriptions, and I appreciate all that you guys are doing for us. I keep on showing up for you guys because you also keep on showing up for me, and that's all that I appreciate. But without further ado, that's all for Helen, KCOT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next educational video. Bye for now.